When we speak to people of ignorance, many times they wonder, why do you say that this hadith is authentic, this is not authentic, this is weak, this is fabricated, this is this and this is that? How dare you say such a thing where the hadith might be authentic and you're not knowing that? These people are ignorant. And with ignorant people, we have to take it really slow to spoon feed them knowledge until they are grown up and can eat by themselves. So we explain to them and we show them the different books of hadiths. And we tell them that there are hadiths that are fabricated, that are blatant lies. And the Prophet did not say those, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. You, as an individual, can find that out through your logic and you would not accept it. However, your logic is not always correct. This is why Allah the Almighty sent to us scholars of Islam who would purify the hadith collection and would follow certain sciences that govern this beautiful knowledge and purify it from any impurities. So if you tell them about certain hadiths that go against logic, that go against the Quran, they would say, no, this is fabricated. We don't believe in this. And you say to them, that's correct. But there are other hadiths that may sound logical, but they're not authentic. And the only religion on earth that has this system of segregating what is authentic from what's not is Islam. And it's not for any Tom, Dick, or Harry to come. It's rather for scholars who had spent 30 or 40 years of their lives studying and teaching, learning and reading and researching so that they can purify this beautiful science, this beautiful knowledge from anything that is not related to it.